Calico cats. They share the tortoiseshell genetic pattern, with white patches added by a separate gene. Owners consistently describe them as unpredictable. Sweet one moment, defensive the next. Back to purring within minutes. What behaviorists have noted is that calicos do not get stuck. They process emotional states at speed and move through them without lingering. A swat from a calico is not the beginning of a grudge. It ends when the moment ends. The key is learning the signals that arrive just before a shift, a tail beginning to twitch during petting, an ear rotating slightly, a subtle tension in the body. These signals come before the response, consistently if you are watching for them. Owners who learn this timing consistently describe it as one of the most rewarding things about living with them.
Pointed cats. Their coats, found in Siamese and Siamese-influenced cats, are produced by temperature-sensitive pigmentation. The cooler parts of the body develop darker color. The behavioral profile that accompanies them is striking. Research confirms that adult cats meow almost exclusively at humans, not other cats. Pointed cats appear to have developed this behavior more intensely than any other coat type. They meow to greet you, express opinions, register complaints, report on what is happening in the next room. They figured out that sound produces results with humans and have been refining their delivery ever since, forming close bonds with unusual consistency. They follow their humans from room to room. They want physical contact. Experienced shelter workers often predict this behavior before even meeting the individual cat. Tabby cats. Tabby is not a breed. It is the oldest coat pattern in domestic cat history, tracing directly back to the African wildcat. The M marking on the forehead is present in wildcats and in every tabby alive today. They can be found in almost every breed, which means the pattern carries no single behavioral profile. What their owners consistently report is curiosity and adaptability. Tabbies investigate. They notice changes in their environment quickly. Classic tabbies with bold, swirling patterns are frequently described as laid-back and affectionate. Mackerel tabbies with tight, vertical stripes often show more athletic tendencies. The pattern inside the pattern matters. That ancestral wiring shows up in how actively they engage with their world every day. Ginger females. About 80% of orange cats are male. The 20% who are female are doing something genetically uncommon. To be fully orange, she must have inherited the orange gene on both X chromosomes, one from each parent, a combination that feline genetics make genuinely rare. Behaviorally, female gingers tend slightly more cautious with strangers than males, reflecting the broader pattern in which female cats, on average, show more selective trust. With their chosen people, the warmth and contact-seeking behavior is identical to what orange cats are known for. The rarity is real. The personality behind it is entirely its own.
The experiment. Pick a moment when your cat is relaxed but awake. Instead of calling them or reaching towards them, do nothing. Stay completely still and watch what happens over the next 5 minutes. Orange cats typically close the distance because staying still feels incomplete to them. Black cats glance, look away, and then drift closer in a curve, making a quiet decision on their own timeline. Tortoiseshell cats either come immediately because you are their person, or stay put with total conviction. Gray cats match your energy. White cats watch your body for physical cues. Calico cats might start toward you, get distracted, then return.